Power. Come and join us.
And let's explore the different artifacts and symbolic pieces that represents Vintar. So here with us is the tourism officer of Vintar, Sir Erwin Sibitan. So sir, can you tell us a brief description of your Vintar?
Oh, Vintar, I'm proud to say that Vintar is the first-class municipality, and it's the only first-class municipality in the Laos. And it's nestled in the middle of the province, so it has a lot of boundaries. It has boundaries with Sarad, So if you're trying to see the map, it's really located in this one. And we are known as the home of the mighty Siwawer, which is the local name of a bird species, which is the dragonfly in English. Vintar, it is known as Vintar. It is known as Siwawer in Vintar, which is ended in Vintar.
So sir, you said the Siwawer. We just want to ask, when did this museum start?
Actually, this for the museum is located now is the old Presidencia. This was the first municipal hall of Vintar during the Spanish period, 2009, when this was established. The museum is well established. Vintar was once in a bell community as well. So we have the old Binandera type of abel, which has been weaved before, but yes, of course, this. This is our room. So you can see this is a type of Binabel. This is the Binandera.
In this section, we can see the sculpture of the Siwawer. So, talugating Siwawer Pasintaken, which means unleash the Siwawer power. On this part, we can see a different furniture and different revoltas that being displayed. Just like this. This is a furniture called Tuat. Also, we have the old telephone and the old sewing machine that is being used back then. We also found the traditional flat iron and also the traditional television. So in this section, we can see the different farming tools that is used before them. We can see the gulao for pagtaim. We can see the kuribot, chakop, big basket, and also the pasagat. So in this part, you can see the Sat River system of Vintar. So we can see here different shells and different classification of fish that is found in the Sat River. And we also have the dalag, which is the naimas mapugpugot na punada. And we also have tilapia, udang, which is very plenty here in this. And so we have crab pot. Datitinay sa mga kaiimasan ken dagkatang tao sa bali nga lugar maalain dito yung Lapay Kippi and then agar-agar. And also here you can see the different rocks that is found in different places or barangays here in Vintar. So in this section, we see the different fishing tools that is being used here in Vintar. First, we have the balsa, which is a kind of boat. And then we have the ala, is where we put the fishes that have been caught. And we use nets, different kinds of nets, to surround different sizes and kinds of fishes. And so this is the kitchen area. So para cleanliness is an Ilocano virtue. So during rainy seasons, visitors and even family members wash off mud on their feet going up the bamboo stairs or entering the duwag. So this is the stairs that is being used before. It is called paraangan. So this artifact is from the old family house of Miss Visitacion. Elementary, of course. And here is different cooking utensils and equipments.
Just like the tayab, that is a kind of bango. And now proceeding to the loom weaving or the weaving area.
Hello, I would like to introduce my friend. He's a cultural worker, textile expert, most especially Isabel. From Poway, we have Mr. Bernard Joseph Esposo Guerrero.
Hi, nice to explore Vintar and see that weaving is being revived. So we help out in every way we can. Hope it goes a long way.
As to what the tourism officer of Vintar had mentioned earlier, Vintar was once an Inabel community. That explains the different pieces of cloth seen hanging on the walls of the weaving area, along with the different kinds of thread and weaving tools. They used the pedal loom, locally called pangplan, to employ several weaving techniques and have numerous designs and patterns.
Okay, sir, we'd like to thank you for letting us in and explore this museum of Nepal, which is a museum of Nepal. Thank you for giving us your time and effort in explaining the different highlights and information about this museum.
Oh, it's our pleasure, and we'd love you to invite also your friends and other classmates to come and visit Vintar and especially our museum to promote also. Please help us promote our museum.